topsy-turvy. Might fall off on the way in. Let's see this piece here. He's going to take that and go jogging with it.
All right, be safe.
I'm going to catch him running down the street, but I can't get out there. So he ran over here with the flag to visit his papa. Have a cold beer with me. 250 amber waves of grain. That's my grandson with the flag there. He's going to run back home, maybe run downtown. So he likes to get the run on. So that's all I got to say about that. I got some pork country ribs on and sauerkraut and the big green egg. They're over there. And it's just sitting there warming up in the kettle, covered in sauerkraut. I call it sauerbraten, but it's got a different name from Germany. I can't pronounce it, so I stick with the sauerbraten name. So yeah, we're sitting out here a couple beers, doing some fireworks, and happy 4th. Why wouldn't it be? How you doing? Doing pretty good.
There you have it. Smoked fish, smoked scallops. Everything looks lovely.
How you doing? The lucky man. Luck's out again. The wife went out and she brought in the rainbow trout that we put on the grill, and we smoked it. Got some scallops here. I smoked for 7 hours now at about 95 degrees temperature, maybe a little higher, and the fish is ready. We're going to open this up and get a taste and see what it tastes like. Why wouldn't I? Thanks to the wife. She brought it in for me. And that's what it looks like with the sides. A little corn, a little instant potato, and 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 scallops. I've eaten like 3 of them already. So we're going to dig into this rainbow trout smoked on the big green egg. I started out with an electric burner, a hot plate, and I put a cast iron pan on it, and I filled it with chips, and I plugged it in, and it started smoking like crazy. I'm like, that'll work perfect. Until the hot plate burned out, it couldn't handle it. So I reconfigured the egg. I threw a couple pieces of coal in there, and some more chips, and then I lit it on fire. Excuse me. And I sat back and had a mess of beers, if you can't tell by my burping. And this is what it looks like when it's done. So here you go. Rainbow trout smoked with a homemade smoker on the big green egg, very slowly. It started at 10 this morning, and we finished at 7 o'clock tonight. So that's a pretty long cook.